In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Easy Apply on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you will first need to log in to LinkedIn. Simply navigate to LinkedIn's website and sign in using your email or by utilizing your Google or Microsoft account if that's more convenient for you. This will lead you to your LinkedIn homepage, where you'll find everything you need. Next, let's navigate to Jobs. You'll notice a Jobs icon located in the navigation bar at the top of your homepage. Go ahead and click on that icon, and you'll be directed to the Job Search section. Now it's time to search for positions. In this section, you'll see a search bar where you can enter job titles, skills, or even specific company names that you're interested in. This is a straightforward way to filter through the numerous opportunities available to you. Once you've entered your search criteria, review the results and select a job that catches your interest. Click on the job listing to expand it and take a moment to read through the job description. This is important. Ensure that the role aligns with your career goals and expectations. After you've reviewed the job, look for the Easy Apply button at the top of the job listing. This feature is designed to streamline your application process, making it quicker and more efficient. Go ahead and click on that Easy Apply button. You will then be prompted to provide some additional information. A pop-up screen will appear, usually asking for your contact information and your resume if it's not already stored on your profile. Make sure that all your details are accurate, as this information is crucial in making a good impression on potential employers. Before you finalize your application, it's essential to review it. Click the Review button to double-check all your details. Take this moment to look for any typos or missing information, as a polished application can significantly improve your chances of landing an interview. Once you are satisfied with everything you've entered, you can click the Submit Application button to finish the process. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a job using Easy Apply on LinkedIn. Remember that applying through Easy Apply is just one step in your job search journey. Make sure to follow up and keep an eye on your notifications for any updates regarding your application. Thank you for watching. I hope these steps help you in your job search. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the job market. Happy job hunting!